Today is Navratri's yellow day, so I'm wearing yellow. I have an interim presentation of finance tomorrow. Finance as a subject is quite daunting because of all the numbers. But if you actually study finance, you'll realize that the concepts are not that tough. It's just the numbers. I'm not saying that it's easy. It's tough. But it's doable. It's not that scary जितना सब बताते हैं ना कि ओ फाइनेंस फाइनेंस फाइनेंस. I feel like it's like every other subject. अगर आपके बेसिक्स क्लियर है तो आपको आएगा. आपके बेसिक्स से क्लियर नहीं तो आपको कुछ नहीं आने वाला भाई. I feel like I'm the worst, so I always act like I'm the best. I'm vlogging in public, okay? मेरे सामने से लोग आ रहे जा रहे हैं. First time. I enjoy solitude a lot. I had really convinced myself that being alone is terrible. कि नहीं, तुम्हें अकेला नहीं होना चाहिए. You should be around people. You should be a part of something. I think a girl smiled at me and I smiled back. I don't know her. I think she did not smile at me. That meme जिसमें अमिताभ बच्चन thought Ranveer Singh was smiling at him, but he was actually looking at Deepika Padukone. That happened. So what I was saying is that I had convinced myself that being alone by yourself is a bad thing. And I always have to be a part of somebody or some group or something like that. और एक दिन ऐसे हुआ कि I was sick and tired of everybody around me. And then I started hanging out by myself. And boy do I love hanging out with myself. Look at me. क्या मज़ा आ रहा है मेरे को. मैं अकेले नाचो खा रही हूँ. I'm not sharing it with anybody. You know, when you're by yourself, you can actually ground yourself. As in, you're more present in your life. Or else you're just having conversations. You really need to be alone to understand what is happening to you. समझ रहा है? And that is why I like to be alone. So that I'm aware. Anyway, I have to leave. काफ़ी देर हो चुकी है. It's 6:45. Nice watch, right? Bye bye. I'm sloshed man. सुबह 4 घंटे मैंने मार्केटिंग की पढ़ाई करी. After that we had sports and then 2 hours finance. Insane भाई, insane. I want to go to sleep but I can't go to sleep because घर जाके मुझे दूसरे असाइनमेंट्स करना है. वो होता है ना कि तुम्हें क्लास में पढ़ाते हैं and then you go back home and then you open the textbook and you read the material, right? Yeah, I haven't done that yet. Exams are in a month and yeah. You know, the thing about this course is that it's really time consuming. I don't have the ownership of my time. My time is divided between a lot of people. So since we have group presentations, right? तो हम साथ में तब we'll be productive together. So when all of us are together and working together, only then it's efficient. Or else it's just like we're waiting for each other to come together and start working. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? For the first time in my life, the weight of my emotional baggage is significantly lesser than the weight I'm carrying right now. Look at that. Anyway, you know what? I'll talk to you guys later. Place where I am right now, it's very dystopian. Do you feel the dystopia in it? I feel it. I think the factionless could live here. Like this is exactly where the factionless thrive. I hope you see what I see, because if you don't, then all of this was pointless. I spilled coffee on my clothes today. Me and my friends, we were sitting in the canteen and having food. मैंने coffee गिरा दी. Yay, clumsy girl! It was so embarrassing, man. It was so embarrassing. I smell like coffee right now. Coffee and milk. I mean, some people like it, but I don't like it. थर्ड वेव एक बार मैंने उनका कोई तो कोल्ड कॉफ़ी पी थी. इट वॉज नाइस. मतलब इट बहुत हिट हुआ था मुझे. I need 3 packets. How is that? आंबट आहे. फिल्टर कॉफी तशीच असते ना, आंबट आंबट. It's so hard to drink this and eat this as well. You must have noticed that the vlog doesn't have a lot of content. Very recently, finally realized why people vlog in the first place. Stupid, right? कि ये तेरे को इतना लेट कैसे समझा? देर आई दुरुस्त आए. I will never be this years old and do this activity in this moment ever again. And I need to document it. I have to. It's not because I want to like take video, take picture. I'm not living in the moment. I am very much in the moment. And that's why I would like to capture this so that I can revisit. Arey bhai. Also, I started to realize that I'm somebody who clings on to bad memories a lot. I forget that a lot of good stuff was happening in my life. You know why? Because there's lack of revision. I used to go back again and again, again and again, again and again, and rewind those bad memories, bad conversations, just bad things that happened in my life. And उतना ज़्यादा वो मेरी memory में
फिट हो रहा था. And I was forgetting the fact that I have lived so many beautiful moments. And that, my friends, is the reason why I am going to document every little thing. That's why people journal, people write things down in their diaries, click pictures just to remind themselves how good their life is. And it's beautiful. And I'm working on that. I don't want to be 85 years old on my deathbed thinking, oh shit, ये इंसान ने मुझे ये कहा था और मेरे साथ ऐसा बिहेव किया था. No, I would like to remember good things. Memory is something that is very volatile. If nobody remembers it, it never happened. There's some effect. I forgot butterfly. नहीं यार, there's some effect. कुछ तो नाम है इसका. मैं यहाँ कहीं डाल दूंगी. So that's the reason why I need to document, because I hope it makes sense. I hope it makes sense.